Good evening. Yes, I was going to say afternoon, but it is actually evening, and welcome back. Don't worry, I actually had a rare shift on a Monday. Of course, I was scheduled, but still. Funny thing is, this time next Monday, it's the same thing. So yeah. A rare Monday off, which is a rare shift on a Monday, which is fine. I'm not going to complain about it. I was hearing the forecast this morning, hearing the chance rain, wore my jacket to work just in case. Turned out I didn't really need it, but it could still rain. So I heard prior to the rain, there was 22 forest fires going, now there's 13. So I think 3 or 4 of them are out of control now. Yeah, so that's how much rain we needed. Not much smoke to inhale, we still got the air filters going. They're just running day and night. It helps when you don't have to inhale any smoke with the air filter, so that's all a good thing. So that happened. Came home with some fries, which I just finished eating. Got some meatballs, which should give me, I usually go through 3 plates worth of a bag of meatballs, so I'm going to be maybe 1 tonight, and maybe a couple tomorrow. Yeah, definitely 1 for lunch, and definitely 1 for after work. See, you gotta think ahead a little bit, especially when I'm off at closing tomorrow, so, and Wednesday. Yes, let's see, I just did Game 2 of the 1986 Division Semifinals. Results are Montreal over Boston, Montreal up 2-0. Hartford over Quebec, Hartford up 2-0. Washington over Islanders, Washington up 2-0. Philadelphia over Rangers, series tied at 1. Minnesota over St. Louis, series tied at 1. Toronto over Chicago, Toronto up 2-0. Calgary over Winnipeg, Calgary up 2-0. And Edmonton over Vancouver, Edmonton up 2-0. Sorry, Canucks fans. Hockey guy called the 85-86 Winnipeg Jets, LA Kings, and Vancouver Canucks. He entitled the Turtle Race, Smythe Division Turtle Race. Winnipeg and Vancouver got into the playoffs with 59 points, and LA missed out with 54 points. Yeah. And Toronto is almost as bad as those 3 teams, and yet they're up 2-0 on first place Chicago. And Hartford up 2-0 on first place Quebec. So, surprises galore already, but does this continue? I've got Game 3 for Wednesday. They already got 2 series going, 4 games at least, because it was a best of 5. Game 4 would be on Thursday. So, yes. Okay, that's done now. Yesterday's final Jeopardy category was U.S. history. Yesterday's answer was, though known for being its father, James Madison maintained that this document came from many heads and many hands. Because yesterday being Father's Day, I just put the question: what is the Constitution? Isn't that the same as the Declaration of Independence? I don't know. Crossword clues B. The answer would start with the letter B. Today's clues for $200. Answer: Out of the womb and into the room. 5 letters. So I'm thinking it's birth. So yeah, there we go. I think that's my guess. So I think it's more than likely. So that's how it's gonna be. So the amount of letters in the for the answer and the letter that starts with, and the answer that starts with B. Yes, and I got my word search, my fillings done, and I already watched my TV shows. So yeah, so I got nothing else. So there you go. So I'll call this the dinner time catch up because, well, I didn't have any well, I could use some ketchup on my fries, but I had gravy with it, so. Gravy goes well with meatballs too. One of my coworkers who now works nights, she mentioned she was making meatballs and gravy. I was like, geez, what an idea. She's like, we got gravy, we got meatballs, just pick them up, take them home and sure enough, I did. Next time I saw her, I was like, that was a delicious idea. I told you. She's like, you liked it? Yeah, absolutely. What an idea. I like that. Get there this morning. Of course, the department manager wasn't expecting me there today. He was like, what are you doing here? Well, I'm scheduled today. Oh, well. Get to the back. There wasn't as much. It was literally clean. Am I thinking, what a beautiful sight, and the department manager is busy just bidding everything else. I think one of the other guys, the usual Monday to Friday guy, is on vacation. And of course that's allowed. Everybody's allowed to have a vacation, so I got mine coming in August, so yes, it was already approved, so can't wait till my birthday. It's what now? Where are we here? The 17th? 16th. So it's going to be 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks from Friday. Good Lord, 6 weeks from Friday. Oh, 6 weeks from Saturday. My birthday's on a Saturday. Yeah, and my brain's kind of like, yeah, screw this. Ooh. Almost time for the 3 to show up. It was late last night. Got in what time did I get into Gillsburg last? It was after 9. It was about close to 9 o'clock-ish, and it was, yeah, by that time I was ready for bed, so I went to bed not long after I made a video. Actually, I made a video before it showed up, so. Anyways, yeah, it's gotta be on. I think it's about half hour late this time, so. Yeah, I should probably get off of here and observe. So in the meantime and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.